Hi guys, my name is Uttama Singh, CEO of MKM Group of Colleges for Girls Hodal. Today it's our orientation program here, and we invited Motivate Me team here and Mr. Sharthak and Mr. Akash. We inviting this team here for second time. They people are doing like amazing job. They are just motivating students ki how you can achieve your goal by removing your obstacles, by removing your hesitations. So no doubt these are doing a great job, and I'm really glad to invite them here, and I hope like in future we will do another session. So hats off you, like I really enjoy this team here, and in future I would like to invite again and again, and all the best for your future. And hats off your tremendous work and great job guys.
Can I ask you some questions particularly? Sure. It would be such an honor to ask you and listen to the answers that you are going to give. As you have been finding or facing certain challenges, okay, with the students, and that you are trying to take them beyond, okay, and I really appreciate the work and the depth at which you are involved in the development of your student. So how did you find the session relatable and able to resonate with the real and ground reality problems of your students? So any one or two particular things that you think really were connected and at the same frequency of their life, their understanding level and their real situation?
As like you said today, you were just telling your story, like you were connected like girls by telling your story, how financially you have faced challenges in your life by like doing their BTech or BSc. So this is the basic thing, you know, everybody, आपको life में बहुत सारे लोग मिलेंगे, those will say कि okay just do this thing, but nobody is gonna encourage you how to do things, right? So if I have to say about like you guys here, as Sarthak was telling about his own story, you were telling about his own story. So these things directly related to girls like situation. Just because we are running girls college and we are observing things here. Right. Some parents, you know, they are like more concerned their marriage. Yeah, you know कि after graduation, ठीक है, आपका graduation हो गया, now you have to get married. So you are just trying to help like our girls here कि first of all you have to put believe in yourself. How you can achieve your target, how can you do wonder in your life. So this thing directly related to your effort. And today's session it was more encouraging by involving like girls. You were asking few questions, you were putting examples, like you, I think you have given Savitri Bai Phule example here. So you were encouraging those girls by putting example कि you can also do things and you can create your own history. So I think it related to definitely is directly related to our girls. So basic reason like is आप जब तक अपनी लाइफ को कनेक्ट नहीं करोगे ऑडियंस के साथ में, nobody is gonna interact you, nobody is gonna entertain you. आप अपनी लाइफ के एग्जाम्पल्स को कि हमने कहाँ से शुरू किया और हम कहाँ तक पहुँचे.
So I just request you to tell one or two those particular things about maybe story kalakar, acting, about me or our style or the forte unique style of connecting, representing through analogies, through demonstrations and through activities, whatever you think.
My observation, you interact like very energetically, and you know your way of telling story, like you people are a story kalakar, so you put your expression by telling your own story, other stories. You know, you are not like showing any video, you are not showing any biography, you are not telling other people example by like telling them ki you should do that, you should not do that. You interact like students.
Okay,
It's
coming down
not
to
a
their level.
monotonous session, you know. That is like fully energetic session, fully directly interaction with the students. Just because it's a different thing. Because I think there are a lot of motivational speakers, there are a lot of motivational gurus are here. But there's a bit different thing. You know, as you said, you are a story kalakar people. Like as Sarthak today, like he was giving the example of egg and hammer, and he was just using paper plane, aeroplane, ki how to you can fly in future in very cute way by using facial expressions,
becoming
Bholu Ram.
Yeah.
So that was a good thing.
Okay, thank you so much for such overwhelming feedback. We are truly honored to receive that. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and all the best for your future. Maybe in future we will interact through more session here, and I request each and everyone for like giving you chance, and this is a really good platform if we want to change in our life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.